Creating an AI model completely for free and make money with it is completely possible. I've done this before, and in this video I will show you exactly how you can start with $0 and still make big money with your AI model. I will show you exactly the steps that I'm taking and tools that I'm using to generate my model, to promote her, and to make my first few dollars. So the first day is all about setting everything up. So we're gonna make a fan view, we're gonna make it on Instagram, and most important of all, we are going to design our model. So first of all, we go into Tensor.art. This allows us to create a model completely for free. We're getting 50 credits every day, totally for free. We only have to sign in with a Gmail account. If these 50 credits aren't enough for you, just create another Gmail account and sign in with that one as well. How do we use TensorArt? Well, I got a full guide on my YouTube channel that you can follow along to start creating your own models. But for now, we're going to create, and the model that I'm going to use is this one. I write the prompt over here and I will start generating some images. So first of all, I'm going to create a bunch of pictures that I will use to train our LoRa. LoRa is just a model that we trained so we can keep the consistency of our model. So I will do that for now. I will generate a bunch of pictures and then I will train my LoRa. Once I'm generating the images, I select the best ones and I will save them on my computer. Make sure you got around 10 good images. You need to have some full body ones, half body ones, face ones, all angles. 10 images will do. If you need more, then you can do more, but because we are doing this for free, we only have so many coins to train our LoRa, so we can't upload too much images. The more images we do, the more expensive the training will be. So I've saved the images on my computer and then I will start training the LoRa. We hover over create and we go for online training. Put the images in here. I can show you all the images because some of them are topless and YouTube doesn't like that, so I can show them all. Go for custom, flux one over here. Over here we have to fine tune a little bit because the more repeats and apoxes we're using, the more expensive it's going to be to train our model. We're going to use some trigger words, model effect, preview prompt, and we're going to go for start training now. I'm going to let the model train for now, and in the meantime we are going to set up our Gmail account or Instagram account, and we even come up with a name for our model. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come up with a name for the model. What I'm going to use for that is ChatGPT. It's very helpful and comes up with names very, very quick. So if you want to come up with some names, just type in ChatGPT, can you give me 20 name IDs for my blonde AI OFM model? And then ChatGPT will give us 20 names. So if you like these names, just pick one of these names. If you don't like these names, just ask ChatGPT to give you 20 more. But let's see what we have here. We have Haley Monroe. We can even mix it up a little bit, so I'm gonna make it Haley Summers. That's gonna be our name for the model. If we have a name, then we can start making a Gmail account, an Instagram account, and a FanView account. First of all, I'm going to create a Gmail account, Haley Summers. So the birthday is very important to remember because you can use this to generate some more income later on. People are very eager to give you gifts, so you can use your birthday to get some gifts from them, some tips or whatever. So remember that one. So for our model, it's going to be the 1st of September, year 2006. She's a female. Think of an email. Well, this can take a little bit because a lot of emails are already taken. So our email is created and it's ready to go. The next step is to create our Instagram account. So we're going to sign up with a new account, of course, email address. With the username, pick a username that looks like the name of a real person. Don't give it 20,000 numbers. It needs to be the name of a real person, what somebody real would use. Our birthday, we're doing the same as that we filled in before. So once we've made a Gmail account and an Instagram account, it's time to create a FanView account. If this is your first time, you can just create a creators account. If this is like me, your second or your third account, or maybe even fourth or fifth, then you first have to create a fan account, create a separate email for that model. Well, that is something we already did. Sign up to FanView as a fan, and then we have to send your original account's email to your new account's email, to nitita@fanview.com. And step 4 is that we have to wait until we have an answer from FanView. But if this is your first one, just sign up and you're ready to go. For me, it's going to take a little bit longer, so I'm going to do that and we'll wait. So today's day 2, and it's all about creating content for our social media platforms and for a FanView account. Yesterday we used all our tokens to train our model. Today we should have some new tokens, but first of all, I will check if I received an email from FanView to see if our account is ready to go and we can set it up. So as you can see, we got an email from FanView. We're all set to go. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go over to FanView, set it all up, and then we're good to go. So this is our account for now. If you check the email, just press become a creator and your account and you're good to go. Well, that's what we're going to do for now. Become a creator. We are AI creator, continue. We're gonna do safe for work content, email, just upload something for now, display name. We're just gonna fill this all in, the bio. I'm just asking ChatGPT for this one. I'll copy this, put it over here, go and continue. This, I leave this at $9.99. This a perfect price. Okay, continue. And now our account is ready to go. If this is your first account, then you have to sign up with your ID card and stuff like that. I have videos on my channel how you can do that, okay? This is it for now. Our account has been made, and what we are going to do now is we are going to generate a bunch of content that we can post on FanView and also on Instagram. So we're going to create images first, and after that we're going to generate some videos. But let's start with the images. So I'm going to go to tensor.art and I'm going to use the lure that I trained before. This is the girl that I'm going to use for this. I'm going to go for run. I'm going to go to ChatGPT to come up with a prompt for us. You can make your own prompt if you want, but for now I'm going to use ChatGPT for this. So these are the first pictures I created. I'm going to make a bunch more. I'm going to make a whole variety of a lot of different kind of pictures. But for today, we only have the 50 tokens, so we probably can't make all of them, but for today we can make enough. Okay, you literally won't believe this. As I was creating some content for my model, we already had a first subscriber. I don't know if this is luck, but I had this before, and just as you can see 4 minutes ago, I will refresh the page for you. We have our first subscribers. So we already made a first $10. That's how fast this can go. And we didn't even upload some content yet. All we have is our profile picture. And I'm still working on the content. So I'm not even able to post something right now. So I'm going to create my content very, very fast so I can upload some on my FanView page. So this subscriber will have something to see. I'm going to send them a message for now that I'm just new here and that I'm uploading some content today. So the first thing I'm going to focus on right now is creating more content. Try to stay organized with your content. It's easier to find it back. So I create folders for everything and I name everything so I can find it back very, very easy. In the beginning, it's very simple, but when you're creating thousands of pieces of content, it will get harder. Thing I'm always focusing on are the hands. Check if the fingers are correct. If she has 5 fingers, not that she has 6 or 4 or whatever. As you can see, this hand is a little bit screwed up, so I'm not going to use this one. So I created a lot of pictures for my model right now. It's enough for today, but tomorrow we will proceed because we only have that many coins we can use. And for today, they are gone. So tomorrow we will proceed with this further. I'm going to set up my profile. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch up my profile picture because this is actually not a model that I wanted. I used her for training my model, but this is not a model. How she should look like. So we're going to go for edit profile. I'm going to change this one. Add profile info. Well, this is all good. Location for me is Holland. Well, you can make this whatever you want it to be. Profile information, add profile picture. Intro video, we're going to make that a little bit later. I will show you how you can do that. Adding messages, that is something that is very important to do. Auto messages, new subscriber. I'm going to do this for all of them. So new follower, new subscriber. We're going to set this up for all of them. So the first message reply, I leave that unchecked for now. That's because I want to send them a message myself. But if you want AI to do this, you can check this one. So our account is set up for 63% now. Create your first post. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to upload from device because I haven't uploaded anything else yet. Morning sun, just a simple text. And I'm going to create post. I just want something out there for now. Input social media. Well, we have our Instagram account and we've made that and we don't have that much followers yet. So we go for save. So what we're going to do now is we are going to create our intro video for FanView and I will show you how you can do that right now. I can't pay for Go login, so the dream isn't available for me right now. So I'm going to go to howdoi.video, create video. I just posted a video about this, how you can do this. So I'm not going in that. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use for this. It's going to cost me 30 tokens, but as you remember from a previous video, we get 100 free tokens every day. So This is completely free to use. So we'll let this generate for a little bit and we will see what it cooked up. So while the video is creating, we're gonna post some stuff on FanView. So I did make some posts for a day. I uploaded now 3 pictures of my model. That's enough for today, including the video we're gonna post. So that's enough for today. We want to keep something on reserve for tomorrow. I'm also gonna post one for subscribers only. Create this post so my subscriber has something exclusive to see. If some of the faces of your model are not correct or the face is a little bit different than the other one, just post a picture that you want to keep over here and post a picture with the perfect face over here. Start the face swap and then it will get the face of your model. I already explained this in previous videos, but I show it in here so you don't have to waste a lot of models. So the AI videos are ready, but I'm not really satisfied with what we got here. So I will show you what we got. And in my opinion, it doesn't look very great. The videos look a little bit off to me and they just don't seem that great. So for now, I'm going to create something with CapCut. I will show you how I do that. It also works and for now it's fine. Tomorrow I will generate some new videos and maybe I will get a better one. Maybe I messed the prompt up or something went wrong here. So just make it in CapCut. I don't have any coins anymore to generate more videos since I'm doing this for free. So we're going to do that. I'm going to go to CapCut and as you can see, I already did this before. I leave the text the same. I leave the text here for about 2 seconds. Just going to search for some pictures that I'm going to use. Just paste the images down here and make them the same length as the text. And then this is what we got. For now, this is perfect. This will work great. I'm going to export this. Okay, what I'm going to do now is complete my profile at the intro video. I'm going to upload it over here and I'm going to press save. We can also add a song to the video. If you're planning on using this for a longer time, then you can do that. It makes it look a little bit better. The last thing that I'm going to do for today is I'm going to search FanView for some other creators, some other AI creators. I'm going to give them a follow. And hopefully they will give me a follow back. And tomorrow we will start with a new day. So all I'm going to do is I go here and I go browse for some other creators. I will give her a follow for free. No thanks. This one has a lot of likes. So I am also going to pick her, follow for free. So this is basically what I'm going to do for now. And then I will see you guys back tomorrow. So a whole new day today, and today we're gonna create some more content. But first of all, we are off to a bad start because my Instagram account that I made is banned because I forgot to turn my VPN off. I did sign in with my normal phone number, so I signed in with the phone number of Holland and I got a VPN somewhere in America. And Instagram, being a total buzzkill, they directly block my account. So I'm not going to use this account anymore. I'm going to use the account that I made before for the video I did a few weeks ago about growing your social media accounts. It's a brand new account. All I have to do is switch up the names and switch up the profile picture and we're ready to go again. I'm not going to create a whole new Instagram account again because I don't want to create a new Gmail. I don't want to create a new Instagram account because I have an Instagram account that I'm not using at this moment. So normally we have to do the warm up phase with the Instagram account, but for now I can skip that. If you want to see how that works, just go to my video about growing social media accounts. I wasn't going to show the entire process anyway in this video because I already made a video a few weeks ago. So we're just going to start where we left off yesterday. We're going to create some more images on tensor.art. I'm also going to create a second account on tensor.art because I got more coins that way and I can make way more pictures. I'm also going to use one of those to create not safe for work content and the other account I'm going to use to create safe for work content. So the safe for work content we can post on Instagram and also on FanView, and the not safe for work content we can offer as pay-per-view or just for our subscribers. And as you remember, yesterday we had our first subscriber, so we already made $10. So we're left today by starting to follow some other creators. So let's see if we have any followers at this moment. I only have 2 followers at this moment and 1 fan. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna search for more creators and hopefully they will follow me back. This way we are allowed to place some comments on their posts, like their posts, get some interaction with them, and maybe we can do a share for share, so we can get more traffic to our model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the models that I followed yesterday, and I'm going to see who commented on their posts. So if we go to comments, then we can see some other people who also commented on their posts. I'm going to look for other creators over here so we can start to follow them again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see who commented on these girls, and if there are some other creators there, I will give those creators also a follow. As you can see, somebody followed us back, and that's a very, very good sign. We want to get more models to follow us because these models are also commenting on a post. They will like the posts, and this way we get more traction on our fan view page. This is very good because our page will get pushed more and more people will find our page. And although other content creators will not pay for our content, we do need the traffic to our page to lure in some paying customers. And as you can see, this is a model that followed us back, and we are now able to reply beneath the content. So I'm just going to type something basic. I'll give it an emoji and just post. Also will like the post, and I will do that on other content they posted as well. So this is what we're going to do. We want to reply on as many girls that we can, so more and more people will start to notice us and will start to follow us. We have 3 followers now and 1 fan, and I'm going to start sending a message to the creators that are following us if they want to do a share for share. I'm going to do this to all the models that are following me, and some will message me back and we can do a share for share. Share for share is you post something of them and they will post something of you, and that way their followers will see the post of your pictures with a link to your FanView account. And if the people like your model, they will start to follow you and maybe even subscribe and pay for your content. So I'm also going to start working on my Instagram right now. As you can see, I changed the profile picture and I changed the name of the Instagram account that we had before, and because this account is already warmed up, I don't have to be as careful as always. If you made a new account, then like I did before, but what is screwed up apparently, then you need to do the warm-up phase first, okay? But if you did the warm-up phase, then we're ready to go. So we can start uploading some pictures, and I'm also going to make a Linktree account for my model. Sign in with a Google account, and also with this, I'm not going to explain in detail how you set up your Linktree account. I already made previous videos about this. This is all just to get you started with your own model. It's all very simple to do. Just go for a free plan. As you can see, I already started to post some content on my Instagram account. We also need to make some reels, but I'm going to do that for now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll through Instagram and find some models who are looking like my model. So I need a blonde model with the same body type and the same kind of everything, okay? I try to limit it to one model. Try to find one model and use that model to create your videos. You can also create fully AI generated videos, but because we are doing this all for free, I'm going to start with using some other girls' their content. So I'm going to do that for now. I'm going to download a few videos, and what I'm going to do then is I'm going to face swap them in Pixnova. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pixnova.ai and I'm going to go for the video face swap, upload the video that I want to use. And I'm also going to upload a picture of my model. So this is the picture of the model that I'm going to use. I'm going to do this to 5 seconds and I'm going to face swap. I will do this for all of the videos just to get some content going for my Instagram account. I will upload a piece of content every day to Instagram Reels. And this way I'm trying to grow my Instagram account. I will do this for several weeks, maybe even months. But you can also do this with fully AI generated videos. So I managed to get a share for share with another creator. One of them replied to me and they posted my content. I will show you the content that I posted to them in a minute. But as you can see, we are already getting some notification. We get some follows, we get some likes. And if I refresh the page, then I have 6 followers now. So this is how this works, and the post is only up for about 2 or 3 minutes now. And this is the post they created for me. This is the text I made of myself. This is what I sent it to them. These are the 2 pictures they're provided also, and they created the post for me. And now it's just a waiting game to see how many followers it will attract. So that's how the share for share works. So I'm also started to generate some more images to share on my Instagram account, and once we've done that, then we're basically done. And this is basically how we proceed the rest of the week and even weeks that are following. All that's left for us to do now is create more and more content, pay-per-view content, normal content, content for us subscribers, follow some other creators so you can do share for share more, and this way you will promote your model very, very fast. Also use Instagram. Check my other video out if you want to know how you can grow your social media accounts and warm them up correctly. It's all there. If I show you everything in detail right now, this video is going to be hours long, and that's not what I want. And I already created content for that. So this is just to show you how you start totally from scratch, completely for free, and how you can start generating some money. We even made our first $10 right now. And if you want me to proceed with this model and do some more recordings for this and see where she is in about a week or in a month, then just leave it in the comments. Then I will go further with this model and I will try to scale it to $1,000 a month and even more. Maybe we can even start to implement some paying tactics if we start to make some money from this model. So we will use this money that we made with her and put it into the model so we can scale it even more. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you the next time.